flowers.
Huh?
Look, goldenrod.
Don't do it. Take him away. By dose. By hay fever. You know I can't stand it. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. Thanks.
And you, you're
And be sure to watch out. Watch out. Thanks.
What ails these crazy critters? They gone plumb dead.
Yeah, they could.
Ah!